Wow.
Did I get it? Dad walks right through it, though.
Just think, we almost camped right here and would have had to listen to them all night.
Yeah, look how close the log is to the fire pit. That's kind of cool.
That's just where you sit.
Yeah, no, but it's so hot, is it not?
Are you sure about that?
You said it's not 5 miles?
I mean, did it say 0.5? That's because we've done 2.5. Oh, maybe the graveyard is over here. I don't know.
Oh, yeah, he did say barbed wire fence. Is that it? No, that's just plants. I'm pretty sure that's plants.
Wait, is this the trailer?
Yeah, I think so.
Wait, what is that? Oh, that just goes down to the river, but there's not.
Yeah. There it is. Okay. Yeah, let's go see the. You want to go see the tombstone?
Look, there's one right there. Oh, and then these birds. Look, there's so many right here.
Dude, that's
What does that say? 1798?
Who knows if that's correct, but look at this one right here. What does that say?
Can't read it.
Dad, that has to be.
Yeah, you can, but I can't. Oh,
Dad, you're about
what's
to
the
fall.
date?
I can't read that. Are we allowed?
1835
Wow.
was the time they died.
Before the Civil War.
Oh, this is it.
It's not that many tombstones.
Oh, you can see its body. Look at it from behind. Dad.
Oh, cool.
I'm going.
We're now on the South Rim Trail, headed toward the walls of Jericho. Some beautiful rock formations and dry creek bed right now, but we're almost to the walls themselves. It says it's about half a mile trail into the falls. There are campsites along this place in the middle between where it kind of splits off here. Different places you can camp in the middle.
Yeah, there's one right there. Well, no. Looks like one.
On the South Rim Trail, there are campsites. What? What does it say?
It says in honor of our friend Zach Stevens.
Oh, okay. The walls now, you're in the canyon, and all around you the walls are going straight up.
I can't walk by or it's gonna go back in. Bye, Snail. Bye, buddy.
We're still going on the South Rim Trail, walls of Jericho, and it says it's only 0.5 miles, but I'm starting to question that. Seems a little further, and it is straight up some places. So we're moving on.
Is that a trail?
Look at this. I guess that's what they mean by walls of Jericho. They go straight up as far as you can see. There's a point of emphasis or comparison. There's a little saw straight up the walls, all the way as high as you can see. Probably won't give it justice in this little short video. I guess down here is the end point with all the falls. Slow, soft. Be careful. Okay. Okay.
Holy crap!
Whoa!
Oh! I'm going up there.
Please.
Is that water?
What the?
Take a picture of me from right there. It's awesome.
Ugh.
Oh, look back there.
God, we could have put a camp right there.
Watch out, watch out, watch out.
Oh, Scriff, this is super slippery.
What?
I feel like I'm out west of you.
Can I go up there?
Yeah, that's where those waterfalls are.
Can we go up? Are we going up there?
Yeah.
Wait, Dad, I'm gonna stand right there and you take a picture of me, okay?
Oh, go slow, okay?
I got it, Dad.
Seriously, I mean, you're gonna slide any second.
Wait, stand right there, stand right there.
Okay.
Stand right there. Don't move.
Yeah. Are you coming down here or are you staying up there?
Yeah, I know how to do it.
What?
No. This is really slippery. I'm gonna go. This is cool right here.
Yeah.
It's so cold.
Is it cold?
Feels good. Okay, that's slippery right there.
That way?
Yeah, this is where I came from.
Oh, okay.
I mean, you can go down farther. I just want to be a picture. Good?
Well, we made it to the walls of Jericho finally after a long climb. We camped last night at a campsite about 7/10 of a mile away from here. It was a great hike. It was straight up and down, but then when you get to this great place, it's just beautiful. Looks like granite walls everywhere. Beautiful waterfalls, as you can see. And if you look behind me, you can see just a beautiful creek that goes down from the falls. We're going to stay here for a little while. Sawyer's taking a little swim here. Anyway, we thought we'd hang out here for a while and then maybe head back up to the falls, maybe not, I don't know. But it is absolutely gorgeous, stunning here. And I don't think the videos that I've seen on YouTube really give it justice, just because how steep the walls are. You can't capture it on film.
I'm gonna get you wet.
No, please don't.
Oh, that is a hole!
What did you see? Beautiful butterfly.
Why does it keep going to my sock?
I don't know. Look at it. It's just like flying around. It's like Batman.
It won't stop.
Oh, it's like eating.
About an hour last night, but now it's going to take about, holy crap, that looks cool. Look at that view.
It's beautiful.
Like 2 hours. An hour and a half. This
Yeah,
this
this
one's
is
not
gonna-
as cool. The other one's
This is
really
going to
cool.
take like an hour and a half to do.
So, I'm doing a little video then. We're headed back. We've gone to the walls of Jericho and we're heading back, in and out essentially. And we did, I don't remember how long it took us to get down here. Maybe like an hour or so. But we're about to, my oldest son's going to time it and see how fast he can get out. So we got
I think that's the campsite right there, Dad.
maybe 2.5, 3 miles to get back up to the parking lot. And my younger son and oldest son are going to kind of race getting up there. And I will be hanging back because I'm an old guy. But we'll see how far, because this is straight up the mountain from here back to the parking lot. Well, this trail is pretty tough going back out, getting up to the top of to the parking lot at Walls of Jericho. I can't do a long video because I'm just show you how out of shape I am, but it's super hard climbs, switchbacks, but pretty tough. I'll see you at the top. So it doesn't look like much on camera, but this is straight up, and it's been this way for 2 miles. At least there's some stairs. Here we go, last push. Well, I made it. An hour and 3 minutes Not bad for an old man. Walls of Jericho completed. All right, there's the boys. They kicked my butt. All right, Walls of Jericho's over. Time for some hamburgers and Philly cheesesteaks. Yes. What about it, Saul? Did you enjoy it? All right. Time to go home.